Hola y bienvenidos! The 5th of May is just around the corner, and the air is buzzing with excitement for Cinco de Mayo celebrations. But maybe you're feeling a little overwhelmed. Where do you even start with decorations? Is it going to cost a fortune to create a festive atmosphere? Don't you worry, amigos. We've all been there. But before we do that, we want to welcome you to our channel Decorants, where we share home improvement ideas that will make your living space more beautiful and comfortable. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of our future Easter-related videos. Today, we're here to banish those fiesta planning blues and transform your casa into a vibrant Mexican paradise, all without breaking the bank. So, grab a cup of your favorite bebida, whether it's a refreshing agua fresca or a steaming taza de café, and get ready to unleash your inner fiesta maestro with some clever decoration hacks that are light on cost and heavy on olé. What are the traditional colors for Cinco de Mayo decorations? Let's kick things off with a fiesta color crash course. Cinco de Mayo explodes with the bold and beautiful colors of the Mexican flag: red, green, and white. These colors hold deep meaning, weaving a story of struggle, triumph, and hope. Red symbolizes the blood spilled in the fight for independence, a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made in the pursuit of liberty. Green takes on the mantle of hope and victory, celebrating the Mexican triumph at the Battle of Puebla. And white signifies peace and purity, a hope for a harmonious future where the fight for freedom ushers in an era of tranquility. But don't be afraid to add pops of other vibrant hues like orange, yellow, and turquoise for an extra festive touch. Think sunshine yellow for the warmth of Mexican hospitality, a color that evokes images of sandy beaches and sparkling sunshine. Fiery orange injects the energy and zest of Mexican culture, a color reminiscent of the chilies that add a kick to so many delicious Mexican dishes. And cool turquoise echoes the tropical waters surrounding Mexico, adding a refreshing touch and reminding us of the lush, natural beauty of the country. And don't forget to check out our playlist, where you will find more amazing tips and tricks with ideas that you can use to recreate your dream home. The link is in the description below, or on the screen right now. What are some themes for a Cinco de Mayo party? Now, let's talk themes. There are endless possibilities, so pick one that reflects your style. Classic Fiesta. This is the go-to theme for a reason. Think bright colors, papel picado streamers everywhere, maracas on every table, and a giant piñata just begging for a whack. Mercado, market. Transport your guests to a bustling Mexican marketplace. Drape colorful fabrics over tables to create a canopy effect. String chili peppers, dried or plastic, across the space for a touch of whimsy. Create DIY cactus centerpieces using painted terracotta pots and felt cutouts. Don't forget to add decorative signs in Spanish like bienvenidos, welcome, and dulces, sweets. Siesta Fiesta. Opt for a more relaxed and intimate gathering with a Siesta Fiesta theme. String up colorful hammocks or set out comfy blankets and pillows on the floor. Create a cozy atmosphere with colorful throw rugs and poofs. Accent tables with festive sugar skulls and vibrant ceramic suns. Movie Fiesta. Channel your inner cinephile with a movie-inspired fiesta. Think iconic characters and scenes from classic Mexican films like Frida Kahlo or Desperado. Decorate with sombreros, cacti, and movie posters. Create a DIY photo booth with fun props like oversized mustaches and serapes. And don't forget the soundtrack. Fill the air with lively Mexican music from your favorite films. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new and got design inspiration for your home, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We post new videos every week on home design, decor, and DIY projects that you don't want to miss. Manos a la obra, amigos! We're about to transform everyday items with clever DIY tricks for a fiesta on a budget. Grab your supplies and unleash your creativity. Transform everyday fabrics. Think beyond boring tablecloths. Hit the local fabric store and snag a few yards of vibrantly colored fabric. Drape it across your table for an instant fiesta base. Leftovers? Fashion them into makeshift table runners or chair sashes for extra flair. Manos a la obra, amigos! We're about to transform everyday items with clever DIY tricks for a fiesta on a budget. Grab your supplies and unleash your creativity. Transform everyday fabrics. Think beyond boring tablecloths. Hit the local fabric store and snag a few yards of vibrantly colored fabric. Drape it across your table for an instant fiesta base. Leftovers? Fashion them into makeshift table runners or chair sashes for extra flair. We also love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and let us know what you think of these ideas. Which one is your favorite and why? Do you have any questions or suggestions for us? We would love to hear from you. Market Magic. Channel the bustling atmosphere of a Mexican marketplace with everyday household items. String chili pepper lights or regular white lights with red cellophane taped over them across your space. Fill large glass jars with colorful beans, rice, or pasta for a rustic Mexican market vibe. Don't have glass jars? Upcycle empty salsa jars with a coat of paint and a touch of glitter. Fiesta Fiesta. Transform plain white plates and napkins into a fiesta explosion. Grab some colorful markers or fabric paint and unleash your inner artist. Draw traditional Mexican symbols like suns, cacti, or even write, Feliz Cinco de Mayo. Instant fiesta-ready tableware on a budget. DIY centerpieces with Mexican inspiration. Forget expensive centerpieces. Fill a terracotta pot with sand or brown sugar for an extra touch of sweetness, and create a mini cactus garden using green pipe cleaners and colorful construction paper. For a more elegant touch, fill a vase with vibrant flowers and nestle a decorative sugar skull or a small ceramic sun amongst the blooms. Also, if you want to learn more, check out our blog, where you will find detailed articles and guides on how to choose, install, maintain, and decorate your house. The link is also in the description below. And there you have it, my friends. With these clever decoration hacks, you're well on your way to throwing a fiesta that's bursting with Mexican flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more fiesta-tastic ideas coming your way. If you liked my video, I hope you will. Also, like this recommendation, check left for full playlist related to this video and right for latest video.